Legend tells the tale of a formidable monster rising from the depths of the sea. Giant, powerful, fearsome. Now this epic monster is a Monster Jam legend. Unleash Kraken! In the ocean, Kraken struck fear into the hearts of sailors and Vikings for centuries, wrapping its massive tentacles around ships and taking them down into the dark abyss. But today, this beast takes down the competition on the track, striking fear into every Monster Jam truck. When Kraken is unleashed, there's no stopping it. No escaping its grasp. Powerful tentacles grip tightly, squeezing every ounce of power it takes to conquer the competition. Intense eyes on the prize. Some say a Kraken's favorite meal is fish and chips. But this Kraken eats up stunt after stunt after stunt. Take a deep breath before Kraken steals it. From the sea to the dirt, Kraken brings the hurt. Beware the beast. Kraken has been unleashed.
Make some noise for Kraken!
Bring the action home with official Monster Jam trucks from Spin Master.